Hey everybody, welcome to Hooked On. It's a YouTube channel that we just started for my kids to start fishing. It's going to be all about fishing, catching fish, tying hooks, and everything else. The first thing we're going to do is learn how to tie a simple barrel knot. If you like what you see, click the subscribe button and the little bell to notify you when new videos come out. The first 3 videos are going to be pretty close back to back. We're going to try releasing them at 6 p.m. each night as they come out. That way you can get started right away. So the first thing we're going to do is tie a barrel knot. What you need to do now is get some fishing line and a hook and practice this knot. And tomorrow, hopefully, I'll have a video up with the bobber choice and fishing pole choice for kids. Something easy and very inexpensive to get started. So here comes the knot tying lesson. We're going to put the hook facing us. We're going to go front to back. And then all we're going to do, hold the tail, spin the line, doesn't matter which direction as long as you go the same direction, and go around 5-6 times. You can see it building up there. Take your tail just made, hold that tail, pull your fishing line, and that is a good barrel knot. It's clean, easy, don't fuss holding it. Clip your little tag off. There you go, perfect little knot. Now that you got this knot down, click on the link for the next video. We're going to put a bobber on a fishing pole and we're going to get heading out to the lake. So see you out there.